many places we can see. Every culture, every sound, magic waiting all around. Hand in hand we learn and grow. RoyalTey Kids, let's go explore.
Today, the RoyalTey Kids are traveling to Kenya, a beautiful country in Africa filled with amazing wildlife, wide-open landscapes, and incredible adventures. Maya, Zion, Jay, and Amara could hardly wait to begin their safari journey. Kenya is famous for its beautiful savannas, incredible animals, and national parks. People from around the world visit Kenya to experience exciting safaris and learn about wildlife living in nature. Soon, the RoyalTey Kids climbed into a safari jeep and headed deep into the savanna. Tall grass moved gently in the wind as they searched for wild animals across the beautiful landscape. Suddenly, Zion spotted a lion resting beneath a tree. The RoyalTey Kids watched quietly and carefully as they learned how lions live together in groups called prides. As the safari continued, the RoyalTey Kids discovered giant elephants and graceful giraffes walking peacefully across the savanna. Amara smiled as a baby elephant splashed water with its trunk. TT Tey explained how national parks and wildlife protectors help keep animals safe in Kenya. The RoyalTey Kids learned how important it is to care for nature and respect wildlife around the world. As the sun slowly set across the savanna, the RoyalTey Kids talked about their favorite safari moments. TT Tey smiled proudly as another unforgettable adventure came to an end beneath the glowing African sky. Badge unlocked! Today, the RoyalTey Kids earned their Kenya Safari Explorer Badge for learning about wildlife, nature, and amazing safari adventures. Where should the RoyalTey Kids travel next? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you on the next adventure around the world.
Around the world, come fly with me. So many places we can see. Every culture, every sound, magic waiting all around.